Today we're checking out a new speaker by DOSS, this time the D300 Extreme Boom Pro. I want to thank them for sending this over to review on the channel. Normal price for this is $99, but it's currently on sale for only $79 as of this video. I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. You've got blue or black color options. I've got to say it's got some pretty impressive specs for the price. It's got 80 watts, 160 watts peak power. It's got a 50 watt subwoofer and two 30 watt tweeters, up to 20 hours battery life. Also has 3 different EQ modes, normal, bass, and treble. It's pretty rugged with an IPX6 rating, weighs about 4.85 pounds, and it's just under 1 foot long by just over 5 inches tall. It's got Bluetooth 5.4, also has wireless stereo pairing, where you can pair 2 different DOSS D300 speakers for independent left and right channels. Actually says IP67 here on the box. Okay, yeah, this blue color actually looks pretty good in person. Pretty nice leather strap here on the top. It's got a metal grill here on the front. Pretty nice passive radiators there on the end. They'll light up with 4 different presets. Nice silicone feet there on the bottom. Controls are in this silicone part here on the top. Play, pause, mode, volume controls, lighting, different EQ modes, and to pair this with another speaker. And there on the back, you've got a USB-A port and USB-C for charging. You can see 2 dots there, showing the battery is about half full. Pretty simple to just pair this in your Bluetooth settings. Okay, this thing's super loud. It seems really loud at just halfway.
Treble. Normal. Bass.
Probably a little louder than I would like. It seems really loud when you change the modes as well. Looks like you just hold down on the volume buttons to go to the next or previous track. You can see what the different light modes look like for the passive radiators. Here's a few quick samples just to give you an idea of what it sounds like.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
I've got to say, this is probably one of the loudest speakers that I've tested recently, and easily the best speaker that I've tested from DOSS, and both the build quality and sound quality. It's probably going to surprise a lot of people once you hear this in person. For me, the bass mode definitely sounds the best out of the 3 options available. Of course, it's probably going to depend on what types of stuff you listen to, but I don't think you're going to hear anyone say that this speaker's not loud enough, because again, it's easily one of the loudest speakers that I've listened to. As far as I know, there's no dedicated mobile app for this. But luckily, you have all the buttons that you would need right there on the top. I think for the size of this, it's got decent weight to it, especially considering the size. Now, one thing that I did notice, the highs and the clarity with this speaker is actually really good, as you would expect if you've listened to some of the other DOSS speakers. I think this one probably has a little better bass than some of those other speakers that I've tested. And because this one sounds quite a bit louder than some of the others I've tested at lower volumes, you don't really have to turn this up very much to fill a large size room, or if you're using this outdoors. I think if you're looking for a speaker about this size, this is probably one of the better ones that I've tested, so I would definitely check this one out.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.